This will probably be the last update of the day. Today is January 3rd. It's a Wednesday. The time is 8:27 p.m. And as you can see up here, I have managed to make $186 today. Okay. Last update, you can see I was around 147, and basically total I was active 5.5 hours. This is very good. I was online for almost 12 hours. That means half the time I was working on my YouTube channel, half the time I was taking passengers, right? And look, total of 8 trips, my friends. So I can do probably 1 or 2 more trips and make some more money, but I gotta go to dinner. It's 8:30. I'm supposed to meet my friend between 8:30 and 9:30, so I'm gonna head out that way. So this video is not gonna be too long. So now you see where we are with the stats. Now let me show you for the week. For the week, I am at, as you can see, 650. My goal was to be between $600 and $700 today, because Friday, Saturday, and Sunday it picks up. Possibly we can make $1,000 out here in LA, okay? Because it's a holiday weekend, right? Which means tomorrow, again, I just have to do about $200. Around $200 on Thursday, and I would like to be around probably $800 to $900, somewhere in between there. If I can end up at $900 on Thursday, awesome. Friday, Saturday, Sunday, I'll try to hit another 900 and end the week with 18. And if I get lucky, who knows, we might have another $2,000 week like last week. If you look over here, right, you know, last week I hit $2,100 plus $100 in cash, $2,200. And if I would have driven Thursday, it would have been $2,500 week, okay? But it is New Year's Eve, right? Okay, now let's go back here. Let's look at the details before I end the night. For the week, I've been active 16 hours, online almost 37, and 24 trips, right? Let's do the math. In 24 trips, 653 divided by 24. We are averaging around $27 per passenger. As you know, I like to be close to 30. That's my way of knowing what's going on. All right. We're going to go back here and look at my mileage for the day. I've driven 205 miles today. Take 20 out. That puts us at 185. Look at the money, 186. This is for the trolls. This is a 1-to-1 ratio. I'm totally fine with that. Okay. Last recap of the night. Okay. Then I'm going to end this video. This video is not going to be too long. If you look down here on both of my channels. Oh, that's the music I'm listening to. Pakistani music. My bad, guys. Don't judge me. All right. Don't judge me. I'm Indian. I love Pakistani music. All right. Let's go look at my last playlist. And I want you to see everything that I uploaded. And I would love for you to check it out and give me some feedback. This will be the 12th video of the series. And total, it'll be 14 because of the timeout and the canceled video. All right. So take a look. This morning, around 13 hours ago, I made my first video and I uploaded it, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 videos. One more is going to go up. Maybe I counted it wrong. I'm not sure. Hey, that doesn't make any sense. I didn't count that right. Hold on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Shit. 13. So this will be the 13th video that I'm going to post up for you guys. Okay. This is one channel. All of this available for you if you look at this playlist. Just search for this or click on the link in the description and let me know if it's working. If the link's not working, that's not going to be cool. Then I'll have to re-upload it. Now look at my second channel. Look, 278 followers, right? I believe I was at 260. So I need to figure out what I was at in the morning. Actually, I will figure that out for you. Same playlist is on this channel, but it's slightly different, right? If you go over here, oh, it's missing some videos because I haven't put them in the playlist. Okay, but this is my main channel for Uber driving, right? Look, 75, 25, 30. Did anything stand out? No, nothing really picked up, right? Okay, this one right here has gotten 85 and that's it, right? But if you look over here, There you go. This video from yesterday, look, 1 day ago has 830 views. That means people like this content, right? There's another video up here that was doing really well. Right there. This one, a day ago, has gotten 776. And the way we check this stuff is this. Remember, we're still driving Uber. Oh, I don't remember. I'm not going to respond to this comment. I don't remember what I was saying. I'll fix it in a little bit. Okay, let's go down here. Analytics. No, this is the big channel. I want to take you to the small channel. The small Uber channel is this one right here. Let's see if we can see how many subscribers I got today. Analytics. There you go. And give me for 7 days. Well, I can't even do it for 1 day. I don't know how to do that yet. But in the last 7 days, on this brand new channel, I've gotten 142 subscribers, right? And if you look over here, total, I have 278, meaning I've doubled in the last 7 days, right? And if we look at the analytics over here, look, my watch hours are just blowing up right now. And the reason why they're blowing up right now is because of all the playlists and all the content that I've created for you guys. Fair enough? Now let's go back over here. We're going to end this video. Let me go over here. Right now, I'm actually leaving money on the table because I can go to LAX. Let's see what its LAX is looking like. Oh, no. Oh, hell no. Okay. There's an event over here. Crypto Arena, probably a game. Miami and Laker. Yeah. So if I didn't have to go to dinner, I could have picked up somebody because it's going to heat up. If it heats up, that means I could have made probably $250 tonight. There was a $40 ride earlier I passed on, right? So easily today could have been $250. I decided to have dinner, and sometimes dinner and friendship is more important. Now let me end this video with something important and different. If you look here at recent, now check it out. This is all the content that I created on my cell phone today. All the content that I created, everything here. And I can tell you where the first video was. Let's start from right here. This was the first video. It's gonna be muted, right? This is the first video I shot when I was leaving my trailer. This is the second video I shot when I left my trailer. I didn't post everything. I recorded 2 or 3, and I think I recorded 5 videos and I only posted 2. This is the third video, and every video is a different subject or something different that I'm talking about. Here's the fourth one. Okay. Then I turned my app on right when I left, and it's telling me to update my insurance. I have 30 days, no problem. As you can see, at 6:22 in the morning, 0. So basically, I've been driving for around 14 hours, right? Acton, nothing. Okay, then this is the first passenger I picked up, dropped off, made $20, right? Then in the morning when I started, after that $20, I was at $488, right? Here's another screenshot, $20 at 8:17 in the morning. So basically 12 hours later, I'm at $188, right? All of this content was recorded. After I got my first $20, right? These are all the screenshots that I took. I don't remember what that is. I don't even remember. Is that me? Okay. Then I recorded another video, right? And I don't even think I got a chance to post this one. Yeah, shit, I didn't even get a chance to post this. Then I recorded another video. I forgot to post this. Then I recorded another video. I forgot to post this one. Shit, I gotta post these. Then I recorded these birds. I didn't even post this one, right? Then I recorded more birds. I still haven't posted this video. I don't have time to post all of that. Then I picked up another passenger, okay? Now, after I dropped off this passenger, this is probably gonna go to $40. Let's see, there you go. That's the next one. All of this content right here has been recorded. All of this content today. All of this content. Just look. And okay, this is the first video from this morning that I edited and then I posted on my channel and tuned it and fixed the colors a little bit, right? Now, how can you find that? That's a whole different playlist. Let's go over here. I'm gonna say deuces and look at my energy. From 6 in the morning to almost 9 o'clock at night, I'm ready to go, work my butt off, right? If this doesn't motivate you, let me what else I can do to motivate you. 7 days a week, 12 to 15 hours a day, hustling, surviving so I don't end up in the street. I don't end up in the street so I don't end up being homeless, right? Nobody wants to be homeless, guys. It's a tough situation. Hey, let's fix the light on my face a little bit. Never mind. We're not gonna fix the light. God bless you. Have a beautiful day. If you found some value in this video, I would appreciate a like, a comment, and subscribe. And if you don't do it, it's all good. I don't mind. I don't mind at all, because I love creating content. I love sharing this with other people. Now I'm gonna go enjoy dinner. Have a blessed day or night.